One of the things that I immediately noticed about this house is how everything is so clean and the craftsmanship is just so crisp. Houses behind me? Well, today I will be showing you inside one of them, and this one is inside a Don Antonio subdivision, Quezon City. But first, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. Of course, we're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. My name is Julia, and welcome to another Presello open house tour. So upon entering your beautiful gate, you have here a one or single car port. Now you can park another car right outside where I was standing just a few moments ago. So yeah, alright, it's outside, but remember this is inside the subdivision, so it is still safe. Okay. And just before going to the main entrance, I'm sorry I ruined the surprise because I didn't close the door. But as you can see, it looks like a resort. Don't you think it looks like a tropical modern resort? It's very modern, very clean, but still very warm thanks to all the wood. Okay, so upon entering, you have this nice open space for your living area. Now you can also open the sliding door to let in more air. Meron na rin kasamang screen, and mind you, these are UPVC. So all of the PVCs here are UPVC. Okay, so you have all of the provisions. Then you have here an Airwell, which you can also open up, again with the same UPVC sliding doors and windows. Yeah, you can see. So it's the good kind of, well, PVCs. So it's up to you if you want to put a garden inside, and it goes right up to the top floor. Yung mga abang, syempre nandiyan yan, you know, provisions for whatever you might need them for. You can take them out if you don't need them. Okay, and then back here you have your dining area and your kitchen. And honestly, this is one of the more sobrang clean ng kitchen na to. So it's a nice L shape, very minimalist. You see these finger holds. Thank you. Tapos yung sink, it's Frankie. And this, if I'm not mistaken, this is a pure fixture. So everything that was used here, top quality. Hindi nyo nga lang masyadong kita because clearly there's plastic and cardboard everywhere because they're trying to preserve it for the one who will actually buy it. And then back here, you have a sort of utility area, so you can put your washing machine here. It's not sort of, it is a utility area or your laundry area. And then you also have access to the maid's quarters. So inside, you have access to the ensuite toilet and bath, which thankfully still has a window right out here para hindi naman kulob, diba? And from here you can see the rest of the floor as well. So lots of light in as well as air. And so medyo throughout the house you're gonna see plastic on the floor. On the ground floor, you have homogeneous tiles. Oh, I missed this one because everything is so clean. And then under the stairs, you have this beautiful powder room. So if you'll notice, it's high ceiling because it followed the shape of the stairs. And just the addition of this really adorable wall sconce. Okay, I know some of you don't like the look of cement, but personally, I love it. So this to me is aesthetic. Comment down below if you like these kinds of looks, or if you want something a little bit more homey or traditional, or whatever style it is you want. Comment down below, let us know. Okay, let's head up to the second floor. One of the things that I immediately noticed about this house is how everything is so clean and the craftsmanship is just so crisp. Like dito pa lang eh, when you hold these, like not a single area is sharp. Everything is like sanded out, smoothened. The paint, even the baseboards, these things, the ones that protect your wall, ang ganda ng pagkagawa. They paid so much attention to it. I appreciate it, and I know that when you see it for yourself, you will too. Okay, so behind this door is, well, your master bedroom. Or no, actually, bedroom number 1. Yeah, this is bedroom number 1. And it has its own balcony with a view of the front of the house. Now, I don't know if you can tell from in here, but the wall still does have that wood-like tile. So it's just a nice accent, which, you know, makes it feel more resort-like and modern and tropical and everything. And over here you have your built-in wardrobe. So this room does not have an ensuite toilet and bath, but there is one on the floor. Out here you have your family room, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I'm really hoping you do though, because like, come on guys, you've been watching our videos for a while and I know you're enjoying it as much as we are. So if you like what we're doing, make sure you click that like and subscribe to let us know. Okay, so going back, or moving forward rather. So here you have your Airwell again, a second view from the second floor. And then the shared toilet and bath. So this one is really nice. So actually, a lot of the toilet and baths here are rather linear, or what do you call it? Shotgun? When it's rather elongated. All right. And then this is the second bedroom that toilet and bath shares with. So bedroom number 2, you have your built-in closets or wardrobe. Presumably you would put the bed here because you have your provisions over there. This one is more for entertainment. And then finally to the third floor. And you would think that this floor had similar rooms, but it does not. So this one is the master bedroom, but before you go in there, let's see the room first. So see, it's almost similar to bedroom number 1, to the one on the second floor. So it also has a balcony that looks over your neighborhood, or rather the front of the house. And then general shape is the same. However, we know that this is the master bedroom because it has an ensuite toilet and bath and a walk-in closet. So even comes with a shower enclosure for your shower. Don't worry, the plastic comes with the house. If you like it, you can have it. And on to bedroom number 4. So almost the same as the one right underneath. Look at the window though. Can you see ba? Look at the view. It's just leaves from the trees, the super tall trees. So, nung pagpasok ko nga dito, nagulat ako. I was like, wow, ganda. Sakto pa nagsistream yung araw. But what's nice about this particular room is that it has an ensuite toilet and bath. What do you think? How do you feel about the master bedroom being on the 3rd floor as opposed to the 2nd floor? Personally, I think it's interesting. I think a lot of people would gravitate towards that. But I would guess that some of you would prefer that the master bedroom be on the 2nd floor. Let us know in the comments. Okay, recap. So you've got 250 square meters of floor area, 100 square meters of lot area, a 2-car port. Remember, one of them is covered and inside your gate. The other one is right outside, but again, this is subdivision, so it's pretty safe. And it's still within your lot area. You've got 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and baths, a separate maid's quarters with her own toilet and bath, a utility area, family room. What else do you have? right, of course, I mentioned Subdivision, right? It's in a Don Antonio subdivision in Quezon City. But honestly, one of the things, or actually the main thing that really struck me was how crisp this house was built. Ang ganda ng craftsmanship. Everything is solid, everything is finely done, including the ceiling, which I'm not sure if I mentioned, but it's high ceiling as well. I think naman halata yun sa video. Right, so if you want to see this for yourself, or if you know anyone who might be looking for a place like this, or for a house in this area, do let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future, invest with us. Invest with Presello. Hey guys, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more house tour videos, click right here. And we also have this new thing called Working Lunch with Presello, where I and a few random people talk about a few random things related to real estate. So if you want to join in on the conversation, make sure you click right here.